Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to crack a simple HTML and CSS resume template. I'll walk you through each section, explaining the tags and styles used to create this beautiful and functional resume. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at our HTML structure of our resume. We start with the doc type declaration, which tells the browser we are using HTML. The HTML tag is a root element, and inside it we have the header and body sections. In header section, we include meta information about our document. In link REL, it links an external CSS file for styling. Body contains the content of the HTML document. Now let's dive into body section. We will start with some inline CSS to quickly style our page. The body class sets the font family to Arial, the background color to a light green, and the display property is block. Next, we have the container div. This is a grid layout with two columns, one for the photo and other for the resume details. We set width to 100%. Add a background color, margin and a nice box shadow to give it some depth. The grid layout is defined with grid template column, giving us as 1:2 column ratio. Moving on to the header section, we center the text and add a bottom order. The main header H1 and subheader H2 introduces resume while the page tag adds a profile. We style the image to be a circular with border radius 50% and position it at the top right. Next, we have the profile section. The subheader H2 introduces a section and we use a paragraph P to describe the profile. In the personal information section, we list the key details like name, date of birth, address, phone number, email, nationality and religion, etc. We use subheaders H4 and paragraph P to format these details. The education section details our academic history. We use a combination of subheaders H2, H3 and paragraph to organize the information by years and institutions. In the skill section, we list relevant skills using an unordered list UL and list items LI. Similarly, in the language section, we should list the languages that you are proficient in using another unordered list. This includes Telugu, Hindi and English. Next, you may list your hobbies. Here I have mentioned drawing, photography, design, programming and computer science. The extracurricular activity session showcases additional talents and interests which includes badminton, singing and editing. In this certificate session, you may list any relevant certificates you have earned. This includes certificates in communication, teamwork and computer science 101. Finally, in the work experience section, you have to provide information about your current status. In this case, I mentioned that I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Technology from Vishnu Institute of Technology. And that's it. We have created a simple yet comprehensive resume web page using HTML and CSS. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can create your own professional resume page. Thanks for watching.